So, you ever want to go somewhere, you don't know where you're going, so you just drive and drive and drive and you hope you'll get there? Of course you don't. You gotta know where you're going before you leave. Sometimes SAT could be like that. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're gonna look at Test 3, Section 2, Number 9. As soon as you see these types of answer choices, thus, nevertheless, alternatively, finally, you have to read the sentence before, read the sentence itself without the underlined word, because you got to determine whether those two sentences show similarity or difference. And that will help you to get rid of a couple of answer choices usually. Sometimes you get the correct answer just like that, and sometimes you could only eliminate one answer choice. But let's investigate. Among the possibilities to reconfigure a building's lighting is the installation of full pane windows to allow the greatest degree of sunlight to reach office interiors. Businesses can install light tubes, pipes placed in workplace roofs to capture and funnel sunlight down into a building's interior. So what we see here are two different solutions to get natural light into a building. So let's look at our answer choices. Thus, when would you use thus? Thus would be if you're concluding something based on the last sentence, which would show similarity. We see two different solutions here. So it's going to be like difference. Finally might be making one more point that's adding on, and that's going to show similarity as well. Nevertheless and alternatively do show difference, but we got to show difference in the right way. What's another way to say nevertheless? Yet. And the sentences themselves don't show that type of a difference. So both of the sentences are getting light into whatever the interior space is. So you wouldn't say yet or nevertheless in that instance. Alternatively would fit best. Why? Because it's an alternative to or another solution to reach the same goal. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with transitions or conjunctions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.